Hi, this is Marissa from Attio, and in this video we'll be looking at how to use historical reports. Let's start with a quick recap of what a historical report is. Historical reports show you historical snapshots of the composition of your pipelines over time. So unlike insight reports, which give you a real-time snapshot of your data, historical reports will let you track what the data in your CRM looked like at prior points in time, week by week, month by month, and so on. All historical reports use time on the x-axis, and you can choose the interval. Unlike insight reports, you can't choose a custom date attribute here because historical reports are based on the state of your data as it existed at the end of each time period. A common use case for historical reports is to see how the makeup of your pipeline has changed over time. This report shows how many deals existed in each of our pipeline stages at the end of every week, highlighting how the size and makeup of our pipeline has fluctuated over time. To set up a historical stage report, I first select the object that I'm reporting on and the metric that I want to track. With no segmentation, this graph shows the number of deals that existed in any stage at each point in time. Segmenting by deal stage using the historical values for that attribute, I can now see how many deals were in each stage at the end of each of these weeks. So I'll toggle off the closed deals so I can see only the active pipeline. Some other popular use cases are active workspaces or users and total revenue from paid invoices. And that's a quick overview of historical reports. They're great for spotting trends, measuring progress, and understanding how your business evolves over time. In the next video, we will look at funnel reports, which are designed to track how records move through defined stages.